My name is Tumekam Mhlase, and I work for the Department of Forestry, Fisheries and Environment. There is currently a partnership between the Department of Small Business Development and our department, as well as Avo Vision. So our role, therefore, as the department, we are making arrangements so that we can be able to support these SMMEs with herbicide. And herbicide is one of the most expensive items when you do alien clearing. I think it's going to make a big difference. If you look at the activities, the different activities that they are engaging on when they are running their businesses or the operations, one of the requirements by the other partners is that they get to do follow-up treatment. Because once you do your alien clearing, you can't do it once off. You do your initial clearing, come once of the first time to that specific area where you are going to do clearing, but you need to come back. And it is the mandate of the department to ensure that we remove the alien invasive species in our areas, because they've got a serious impact on the water. They take a lot of water, and that is an important resource.
Greetings, my name is Tobani May. I'm a director of a company called EcoChai in Matatiele at CB location. Receiving this herbicide will really help the business cut costs and even save money and invest more into the business, because sourcing our own charcoal was more expensive. So having the support will really help us overcome those challenges.
Ikhona i-herbicide handover form kufanele isayinile so that wena ukuba as umuntu wakwa-EcoChai, this is how much it that I've gotten from the government, we sign it.
I realized the importance of using the herbicide, which was cost effective to our business to work without herbicide. So it is very essential to have the opportunity to get this herbicide.
So we use herbicide to treat the cut stumps and to also make sure that there's no regrowth, to promote more grass cover and more grazing lands for livestock. I think it brings quite a positive impact, because the relationship between the two helps us overcome some challenges that were like obstacles before. So this partnership helps us overcome those challenges and even grow. So challenges was to source our own herbicide, which was expensive. In that way, we couldn't save money or invest into the business. Every cent that you got was to source herbicide. So with this support, it's quite a relief, and I'm going to save as a company.